Welcome back to Wegyanik. In today's video, we'll learn how to connect an RGB LED with ESP32. Before we begin, don't forget to watch all the previous tutorials through the link provided in the description. An RGB LED is a special type of light that can glow in different colors. R stands for red, G stands for green, and B stands for blue. By mixing these three colors, we can create many other colors like yellow, magenta, and cyan. The RGB LED has 4 pins, one common pin, which is either common cathode or common anode. The other 3 pins are for red, green, and blue. To identify the pins, always remember, the longest pin is the common pin, which we use as ground. The other 3 pins are for red, green, and blue, in that order. Now let's connect it with ESP32. First, place the LED on the breadboard like this. First, we connect the common pin to G and D. Then, connect the red pin of the LED to D25. Next, connect the green pin to D26. And finally, connect the blue pin to D27. That's all. Now, your RGB LED is ready to glow. Now, just connect the ESP32 to the computer. This is the complete circuit. You can also take a screenshot of it. Now, just open the Arduino IDE on your computer and copy the code from the website. Now let's quickly understand this code. First we define 3 pins, red, green, and blue. Then in setup, we make all these pins as output. Then, in the loop, we turn on one color at a time for 1 second. First, we turn on the red light. Then, we turn on the green light. Then blue. Then, we also mix 2 colors to create new colors like yellow, magenta, and cyan. Finally, all lights turn off for 1 second before repeating again. So the RGB LED keeps changing colors again and again. Now upload the code to your ESP32 board. And you'll see the RGB LED glowing in different colors, red, green, blue, and even color mixes. That's how simple it is to control an RGB LED using ESP32. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment.